To gain access to the MML or My Math Lab homework, you will click on the Start Here button and then go to the Pearson MyLab Mastering Tools launch. Once you click on this link, you will be asked to enter your access code that you have purchased and then sign up for a My Math Lab account if you don't already have one. Once you sign up, you'll be linked into this class and be able to perform and do homework assignments through My Math Lab. If you click on the Math 1342 course outline and then click on any one of the test modules, you will see an MML homework for each test module. If you click on each chapter, it will bring up the individual assignments. Once these assignments open, you can click and take homework from these areas here, and it will take you to the My Math Lab website. Homework can be done as many times as you want to for whatever grade you want to, but again, they must all be completed before January 4th.